This 2025 KZ Connect SE301 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 KZ Connect SE301 BHK is 6,780 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.